Wala kang volume. Sound.
Hello?
Opo, sir. Nadidinig niyo kami, sir?
Narinig ko naman kayo.
Okay.
Yung sa case ko, narinig ba ako? Mas bagay na rin.
Nadidinig po.
Okay, sige. So, balikan
mo
natin
rin?
yung last problem.
Yes, sir, ma'am. Ha? No. Ginagawa mo sila. Yes. Okay. Okay, next.
Okay,
Last
so balik
problem.
tayo doon sa ano. So, yung last problem ay, kasi ang nagawa lang natin, yung number 47. Tapos, ang meron pa lang tayo, yung initial yung velocity niya. Hindi pa natin natapos to eh.
Sige.
Yung, yung number 47.
So, baga daw po nito. Tignan ko po yung velocity ngayon.
Okay, so, yung velocity ay, di ba meron ang nakuha nating formula ay V naught equals square root of GR sine of 2 theta. Diba? Ngayon, ang next na step dito, so share ko naman yung screen ko para makita mo.
Kasi nga, kita lahat. Nakashare type mo sa kanya, marirecord yun.
Okay, so, ito yung from last time. Ngayon, i-sketch ko lang, no? So, yung mangyayari, ito yung canon. This is the angle. Tapos, pag alis niya dun sa canon, dito, may initial velocity v sub 0. Ito yung distance na ita-travel along the canon's length. Let's call that d. So, given naman yun eh. I think it's 5 meters yata. So, since alam na natin yung initial speed in terms of the other variables, ang next question ay, okay, going from the initial point na at rest to the final velocity with this angle, ano kaya yung forces acting on the human cannonball? So, okay, free body diagram. So for this person traveling along the barrel, what are the forces?
So, alam mo ba?
So, pakigawin ng free body diagram. Tapos, pa-share.
Yan, copy mo ni Visual. Parang, dito po siya.
So, ano yung mga forces of acting on the human cannonball? Isipin mo, nasa loob na siya ng cannon.
Yan po.
So, meron tayong force of the cannon, tapos may normal force, at saka may mg. Okay. Sige. So, ngayon, using that, actually, ang yung hinahanap ng problem, so the normal force, treat it as also being part of the forces exerted by the cannon. So, isang force lang yung concern natin. Siyempre, hindi pwedeng ganyan. So, pwedeng meron kang component along, so yung forces, meron kang component along, so F along, at saka F perpendicular. Sige, ganito, i-sketch ko. So, we know that may gravitational force acting. Ngayon, yung forces from the cannon, there's a force from the cannon na F cannon, tapos parallel to the to the barrel, and there's also a force from the cannon na perpendicular to the barrel. So the normal force is actually a force from the cannon. Yeah. Kaya share ko yun, I-share ko din yung screen ko. Ito. So the force from the cannon can be thought of as being may force parallel to the barrel. So sulat lang natin, force cannon parallel. So this is the force from the cannon parallel to the barrel. And there's also a force from the cannon perpendicular to the barrel. Perpendicular to yung yeah. It's the barrel of the cannon is BARREL. So isipin mo na ang itsura niyan parang ganito. Ito yung loob ng cannon, dyan yung exit, tapos yung human nasa loob, it's being pushed by the cannon and also may normal force from the cannon. Ngayon, ang concern natin ay hindi naman pinapahanap yung forces na ito eh. What are the forces perpendicular to the cannon? Ang kailangan lang natin yung vector. So, to do this, we actually don't need F, yung decomposition na to. It's enough kung i-treat yung pwede gawin mo na ganito, na F net is equal to yung force from the cannon along x hat. Or I hat na lang, kasi I hat IG yung may ginagamit natin eh. Plus F sub y, j hat. Plus, okay, minus mg, j hat. So instead of doing it this way, it's possible, pero hihirap lang yung problem kasi hindi naman natin kailangan yan eh. Ang kailangan lang natin ay yung F cannon, which is, we can also write in the form Fx I hat plus Fy j hat. Kasi, ang tinanong, what's the magnitude of the force from the cannon? E di ang gagawin natin dito, kung ito yung hinanap natin, we'll still be computing F squared cannon perpendicular parallel and then square root. That's the magnitude of F cannon, which is also the same as what you would get kung ginamit natin yung XY decomposition. So that's what you'll be using. Ito. So just use this. Tapos yung direction ng ngayon, kaya importante lang na pinag-usapan yan kasi ang isa sa mga one of the things you can figure out from this is the following. Una, yung force of the cannon cannot be just parallel to the axis. The force from the cannon should be may ibang angle. So it's some other angle alpha. Tapos mg kasi kaya hindi so alpha will not be the same as theta. Ano yun eh? Kaya alam ko yan kasi nung ginagawa ko to I made a mistake eh na hindi ko distinguish yung angle ng force from the cannon dun sa angle ng barrel. So nagkagulo-gulo. Tapos yung force of the cannon, kaya siya hindi equal kasi hindi lang siya parallel. Meron siyang component na perpendicular to the barrel. Okay, so F net is Fx cannon I hat plus Fy canon minus mg j hat. Until ngayon, ang problem ay what's fx and what's fy? How can we determine it from the given? Okay, so what do we know? We know na magta-travel yung human cannon from this position to the final position by a distance t, and it starts with an initial velocity of 0 and a final velocity of v sub 0.
Tapos yung nakuha na yung formula for velocity tsaka yung mass, alam din po.
So since we know the velocity, the final velocity, we know the initial velocity, which is 0. We know the displacement. Yung displacement is a vector dito kasi meron siyang specific na direction. Or pwede mo isipin, yung displacement is meron kang delta x, change in x and change in y. Tapos we also know ano yung, so there's a way to get these things separately.
Tapi formula dito para makashare. Kung share ba?
Okay, pwede i-share mo na lang yung, kahit na hindi mo i-share yung camera mo, basta naka-share yung screen para nakikita ko yung screen. So, yan. Tapos i-off mo yung camera mo. Kasi,
Ayun.
Okay, so, yung fnet pwedeng palagyan mo ng lagyan mo ng vector sign. Tapos, since ang I hat is a vector, yung fx is going to be just a number. So, walang vector sign yan. Kasi component yan eh. So, minus mg j hat. Minus mg j hat. Kasi yung direction ng mg ba? It's down. Okay, what do we know from kinematics? Paano related yung yan, alam natin, kuha natin yung speed.
Hindi ko
Yung velocity,
acceleration.
yung velocity, pwede natin mahanap using yung components. Kasi alam natin yung angle ng initial velocity. Diba? That's theta.
So, ito yata po yung formula. Tapos,
Yan.
differentiate po naman.
Remember, it's different from velocity. So, ano yung final velocity dyan? Or yung velocity pag-alis niya dun sa, yung final velocity pag-alis niya sa cannon. Wala tayong pakialam dun sa part na nag-travel siya to the other side. Ang pakialam na lang natin ngayon yung hindi pa siya tumatakbo tapos immediately after exiting the cannon.
So, yung speed nga po, tapos may components. So, parang ganito. Ayun.
So, makuha na yung V0x, V0y. Okay. And then, paano related yung V0x at V0y sa forces?
Acceleration po.
Ano yung pwede mong gamitin kaya? ng kinematic equations.
Yung may V0, basta yung may speed po, tsaka may acceleration. Kaya, speed. Okay, okay, y.
Okay, so there's a way to calculate v x squared, and there's also another way to calculate v sub 0 y squared. Tapos kailangan alam mo yung components ng acceleration. Baka mas malinaw kung sabi ko to. Using kinematic equations, ano to?
Ano ba?
Teka, share ko yung screen ko ulit.
Sige po.
Ito. So, using kinematic equations, ano kaya to?
Alam ko na po yan. V squared minus V0 squared equals yung 1/80 squared lang yata po.
Teka, 1/2 square gives you yung displacement.
Yung displacement. 80 po, 80. Yun lang.
Hindi. Remember, may square.
80 V0 minus 0.
Okay, as far as the path, anong tawag dito? As far as the person being flung by the cannon is concerned, yung motion niya can be analyzed. So they can be analyzed separately along x and along y. Teka. Masyadong mamalakas yung mic.
Okay lang po.
Okay lang po.
Sige, so sige. Balik tayo sa kinematic equation pa. So, ito yung kinematic equation. Sorry. Isa ba yung... Check ko yung nota. So, A is constant. So, the things that you can write down would be x minus initial. Sabi ko lang to Kasi if this is true for the motion along x, then you also have
But if you copy it po and then just change the x to y.
mahirap yung magbulay.
Laki yung...
Okay, so sa mga equations na to, Ano yung pwedeng gamitin para
Third,
mahanap yung acceleration?
actually lahat po sila, pero yung third look sa, kasi alam ko yung range, alam din yung
Hindi. Remember,
velocity.
wala na tayo dun ang concern natin lang ay nagsimula siya sa one end of the barrel, tapos nag-exit siya with some velocity of 0. Tapos ito yung distance. Ito yung angle. And what are we looking for?
Acceleration.
So it should be possible to write down, to compute ito, at ito. Okay, so yung final velocity dito is, so v sub f is this velocity with this angle. So ano yung vx? Ano yung vy?
Vx is yung V0 cosine theta tsaka Vy is V0 sin theta. Tapos po.
Okay. Paano naman yung x minus x sub 0?
X minus x sub 0. Uh, huh? Hindi naman po, gumalaw ba siya? Yes. So,
Ano yung initial position? Easy 0 na natin yan.
hindi yun po. Hindi my x is x. Tsaka yung y is y.
Ngayon, using yung, pero hindi yun yung given directly, di ba?
Hindi naman po given.
Yung p at yung theta.
Ayun. So, yung d cos theta tsaka d sin theta, yun mo.
Okay. So, pwede pang tuloy. Tapos, hanapin yung acceleration.
Okay. Sige mo. Okay. Ano? Ayun. Okay. So, yung V0. Actually, hindi pa pala po na sagot yung V0.
Hindi mo kami level para hindi natin this is first I'm solving for an source para alam mo siya yung nangyari.
Ayan, nakahanap siya. Mahina po yung mic mo.
So, okay na ba?
Para malayo po.
Letter mo.
Ano to eh. Pag
Ayun.
natapos natin to, gusto kong isulat mo siya using the rules.
Yun mo.
Na, pero hindi, ano siya, magiging homework siya.
Opo.
Gusto
After
ko
yun.
lang makita.
Yung ano po, yung sign, wait lang. Sign, 53, 53, 53. Large triangle of 52.
Okay, so yung theta, no.
So, 106. Negative po yung lumalabas kasi yung sign 106. So, so,
Wag, wag ka munang mag-substitute.
Hmm. Mag-shortcut.
Kasi ito.
Huwag ka mag-shortcut.
So, ang gawin mo, express mo muna yung a sub x in terms of v sub 0, d, and theta. Alam na natin na yung displacement along x is it's d cosine theta, di ba? Okay, ngayon yung v sub x, express mo in terms of v sub 0 and cosine theta.
Hmm.
Okay. And v sub y,
Because gusto ko parang
ano ba ang ganda naman naman?
parang rin. Parang hindi na tatanong lahat ng sasabi ng solution na pinag yung solution na ayos.
papalibay ko ito. So, okay lang. Okay, so we know the acceleration.
Yun na po. Dito.
Kaya, pwede mo i-simplify mo muna
Simplify mo. Parang,
yung a sub x at a sub y. Yung sine of 2 theta, pwede mo i-set as sine theta cosine theta times 2 para may mag-cancel.
Gusto para hindi crowded. Gusto mo itong isa po sa baba. Para hindi magulo.
Okay, simplify pa.
Kasi mo ito pa.
Okay. So we know a sub x and a sub y. Teka, yung mic mo ba malapit sa speaker?
Naririnig niyo po kami?
May feedback po.
Ang nangyayari ng feedback.
Feedback? Opo. Ito, ganyan po. Ito po, ito po.
Gusto ng konting echo para less.
Hello, sir. Mas better po.
May feedback pa rin na konti. Pero, let's well manage.
Pati pa lang natin. Speaker na konti.
Okay na? Pag-dinig nyo kasi, kung hindi ko lang kung paano na-record yung audio. Kasi kung na-record ko rin, mas yun sa audio.
Opo. Ngayon po, ano po, meron pong ano? Hello po? Better po? Ano yan? Parang static.
Kasi magsasalita ako, tapos nag-i-echo in for a few seconds. Yun ang narinig ko. GR over 40 centimeter. And GR over 40 centimeter. So, pa-compute, tapos tingnan natin ang sa
So, bakit negative yung AY?
I think yung ano po kahit kasi yung acceleration along x is 40.7.
Tingnan mo.
Alam ko na. It's the classic old, It's the classic, ano po, naka-radian, I think naka-radian mode. Ayun, hindi po, naka-radian mode po, kaya nga 40.7 meters per second. Ayun, positive na sila pareho. Mas di ko lang napatuloy.
Okay. Ngayon,
Pwede mo muna dyan sa ano.
Okay,
Sige,
fourth
mo
one
para
pala.
check in sir.
okay. Ang gusto kong gawin mo dito ay forces to express mo from variables. So that's fx. Paano mali?
Parang mali.
Ano ba ang F is mass times acceleration? Bakit may minus mg dyan?
Yung weight na po,
Hindi. Newton's second law says the net force is mass times acceleration. So walang mg. Yan yung, isipin mo na yung left hand side ng force equation. So mass times acceleration is equal to, ano naman yung nasa free body diagram?
diba ni diagram?
Sabi mo dito yung kanina. Copy mo to para
Okay, so dapat yan, meron kang F canon along X and F canon along Y. So, isolve yung bullet form. Fx and Y canon. So the canon is exerting forces along X and along Y and then the gravitational force. And the sum of all two, or the vector sum, should be equal to mass times acceleration. So that is equal to, from your free body diagram. Teka, bakit may hindi yun yung left hand side? So natin i-equate yan dun sa yung sum ng forces.
From the first,
Yung F canon X, yung F canon X, F canon Y. You know, you're going to by diagram.
so,
So so yung MAXI hat plus MAY hat is equal to, from your free body diagram. Copy mo yung free body diagram. At di babago.
ibaba mo para hindi ko up and down. Sa right side.
Yes. Okay, so mass times information, that's what you've written so far. That's equal to from your P-bind diagram. Teka, vector yan, di ba? Bakit walang view? Walang vectors. Tapos, components yung fx ganon at fy ganon. So, bakit may vector sign at may babaw?
Nahan mo po.
Okay. So, combine mo lahat ng nasa ng J components. So, fx canon ay hat plus. And that is equal to MAN I hat. Okay. Now we know na component by component dapat 1. So, you should have two equations that you should be able to get from there. Wala nang ano. Wala nang social fx. So, MAX is equal to
Hindi mo po ito yan?
bakit? Paano from, you know, I hat sa taas? Fx canon, tapos biglang fy canon.
May ayat po.
Ayusin mo.
Yung sa case niyo na sa
Masyado na ako na po. Masyado maliit po.
Ayos na.
okay, sige. So, MAX what? Okay. Now, look at those two equation. Ano yung known? Ano yung, paki-highlight. Ano yung mga knowns? Yung fx canon at fy, diba? So, that's what we're looking for.
Ito 5 kilo lang.
Wait, huwag ka mag-substitute ng numbers.
Mga po.
Yung variables na. So, m times ano yung sa x kanina in terms of the other variables. GR over 40 sin theta. 40 po sin theta ba yun?
Ayun, pero.
Okay. And then, fy canon. Okay. So, paki-compute nyo ng values.
Pushing back, gano'n. Sa taas siya, nakasilip sa ano. Yes. Tingnan mo sa nakasilip mo sa taas. Hindi ba dyan? May FX ka naman.
Ay, may MD. May MD 85.
Hmm.
Di ba po siya 85? 85 po siya. Ayun.
5 kilograms, okay. So, sige. One back. So, ang acceleration ng yung one acceleration ng cannon, di ba, ay
Ayun.
54 meters per second square.
Paano mo na?
And then, ito. Kaya, screenshot ko muna yung susunod mo. Pwedeng akyat ka ng konti. Gusto ko lang ma-copy yung expressions mo for FX and FY. So, okay. Ngayon, screenshot ko to. Tapos, paste ko sa ano. Ito. Okay. Ngayon, share ko yung screen ko.
Upshare pala. Sinishare yung sir yung screen. Hindi makikita.
Okay. So, tingnan natin yung ito. Sorry. Hindi ako ng pen tool na lang. Quite ano. Kanina.
Quite.
Sorry, yung isa what?
Ni Subway?
Mm-hmm.
54.0 meters per second square.
Yan, di ba? So we can write this down now. Say this is 54.8. That was 3 kilograms. So 85 times 54 plus 9.8 is 5.3.
5424 po yung nakuha ko. Mine
Okay lang.
6.
Pwede kasi sige 3 years big check. Okay. So it's either 5423 or 542 or 5424.
Yung round off naman po eh. May 542. 542. 5420 na lang po. Imbis na 3.
So hindi pwedeng 467.
Yan.
Yung nga po.
Okay? So, alam natin ngayon Canon, FY Canon. Ano
Ano po?
yung manage?
Ano?
Ano yung direction?
Tumama na po ngayon.
Baka may
May
pindot.
pindot. So, yung total force po?
So ano yung direction ng net? Ng Canon? Ano yung magnitude ng net Canon?
Yung ano na ba, yung Pythagorean theorem? Kaya pala pa nang share din ako.
Share ko.
Yun na, yun. Combine. Tug. Ay, dapat nagtipalap mo ka ng isang significant figure. Okay, nice. 2% talaga.
Teka, yung important part is square. Okay.
Details ko. Sir, sabi ko nga sa kanya, pinapanood ko yung mga videos, yung mga sign, tsaka yung mga small details na gano'n. Pagka sinabit mo yung paper mo sa exam, final na yun. Hindi na pwedeng baguhin. Kaya, you have to check.
Yung ano dyan. Next teacher ay kailangan mo talagang gawin yung dito. Ano siya nung una nag-solve din ako noon, hindi rin malinis eh. Lumindi siya kasi nung after revising and revising, napansin ko na less effort yung one equation per line. Lahat may equation numbers.
Okay.
Tapos magsulat na ako ng annotation.
Sabi nga sa kanya, sir, yung sa inyo, hindi na kailangan tanungin saan galing. Diba, sir? Yung dapat ganun. Tapos, yung mga details. Sign and small, gaya na, no? In square.
Yung first attempt, expected talaga na magulo.
Apo.
So, kailangan talaga dyan ay after mag-meet kami, may time siya for
Okay. O ganun gagawin natin. Para yung tamang solve yung solution maganda.
Ayan. Hindi na. 642. Okay, tama mo.
Okay, so 643 yun. Yung direction.
Direction? Meron pang direction kapag ano naman po siya. Ano na ang
Hindi. Hindi siya 50 degrees, ba? So, ano yung actual direction of force from the cannon?
actual direction? So yung ano niya. Ha?
Paano mo i-compute yun?
Kasi may ano yata po na yung gravitational. So, nag-iba yung
Hindi. May components na lang ng di ba? So, from the components, how do you tell ano yung directions ng cannon? Okay, so compute, anong lalabas?
pag ganito na.
So, pansin mo, that's 53 degrees.
So, mas mataas pa po than expected?
Kasi, kaya siya tilt. Kasi yung forces from the cannon include
Gravity.
yung normal force from the barrel at saka yung pushing force from the cannon.
So, apparently po yung ano pala. So, yung apparently nga yung actual na ano na, yung trajectory even higher sa ano na, yung position mo.
And then, tama yun, no? The acrobat will be at an angle of 50 degrees. Kaya kailangan 57. Kasi kailangan i-cancel ng forces from the cannon yung gravitational force.
Kaya,
So, kung ano po na po, let's say, sobrang laki ng marine discrepancy niya, malakas talaga yung, let's say, mabigat po siya. So, yung normal force malaki. Could that possibly affect po yung trajectory and then might, kumbaga, ma-miss na po itong net dahil because of it?
Yung kasi alam ko, ano yung gusto mong i-adjust sa system. Kasi are you adjusting or are you changing the force from the cannon na parallel to the barrel?
mass lang.
Hindi mo, para ano,
Or
ano ba yung, ano ba yung nakapag,
Hindi, kung mass lang ba ang tinatanong mo?
possibly mas po yung pwede rin naman po yung hindi, mas na naman makaka-affect din dito po sa second part ng FY. So kung ano po yung discrepancy.
Kung magbabago yung mass,
Let's say, give an example. Nyari,
Mga
100 kilos ba?
3 kilos po.
hindi pareho. Kung hindi siya simple, ang
Hindi pareho. VX, VY, saka X and Y. So, acceleration stays the same din.
So acceleration stays the same. So, kailangan mag-adjust yung force of the cannon.
Makes sense.
Makes sense. So, this won't get too far naman from yung dapat yung kumbaga expected na expected na parabolic path. So it won't
Okay.
it's not this.
What and something interesting. What if sailing was from the panel? It depends on the flight. Pero may iba yung mas. Anong mangyayari?
Force of the Canon, tsaka yung iba yung max.
Uh,
Di ba po mag-iba tong FY?
so, so ang magbabago yung velocity.
So bababa po siya than expected. Tapos yung acceleration will be less than unexpected. Hindi mo nagpalit po yung energy. Ayun.
Ano yun?
So yung distance mo na, babago mo yung distance.
Yung R.
Saan mo kaya, no? Simulate with ka.
Why Canon in terms of variables?
Okay na po. Ayun. So, ayun.
Yung in terms of variables. Kaya kung pinag-compute kasi makikita mo dito yung pwedeng makita.
Lobo? Hindi pa na ano yata.
Yeah, pwede mong baguhin yung yung parameters.
So kung tumaas po to and then this stays the same, acceleration of X will go down as well as yung acceleration for Y. Acceleration na po as a whole will go down.
Anyway, and yun, it's beyond the scope of the problem.
Lobo?
So, punta tayo sa next muna.
Wait. Save mo na. Save, new. Total. Total. Oh no, it's too big. Then okay now. A bit more. Then now. Easy. Then we get rid of this. Are you here? Why are you here? Earth from the face of the earth. Okay, so yung free body diagram.
Dito sa taas yung kamusta.
Okay.
Yan. Ayos po.
Right.
Share mo po sa inyo.
Okay. Second mo.
Doon. Sulat mo pa ang patient number. Ayun.
Teka, pwede na ito. Ang gumawa siya dyan.
Tama.
Tingnan mo natin lahat ng forces. So, F cosine theta is equal to MAX. So, wala na ibang forces along X, diba?
Alam mo? That's it.
Okay, ngayon, paano naman yung sa Y?
So, why?
MA sa Y.
Yeah. Kailangan mo po yun sa Y. Alam ko sa ano lang po sa.
Kailangan mo yun. At may effect yun.
May effect. Okay.
Okay, ngayon, pwede ko iulong mo yung dalawang equations na yan somewhere sa baba. Para may space for equation numbers. Okay. Ngayon, tingnan, before you compute, ano yung mga alam na, ano yung mga known? I-highlight mo.
Known is no.
So, sin theta, and sin theta, mg. Yung normal force, hindi natin alam, no?
Hindi mo.
Okay. Is the box sliding?
Yes. Moving, but I think it stays on the ground mo.
Okay. Meron, is it possible by pulling hard enough na tumalon yung box?
Abo, it will lift off the ground.
Kapag masyadong malakas yung pull, di ba?
So what is the value? Parang sort of yung problem, yung better wording. What's the value of force? So that it will, yung bare minimum na tatanong po siya.
Okay, that's for part C. Pero for part A, hindi pa. So for part A, ang i-assume lang natin is a slide.
It doesn't ano po, hindi po siya, it doesn't lift off the ground.
Ngayon, what does that, if it's not, if it doesn't lift off the ground, what does it say about A sub Y?
A sub Y is 0.
Well, 25.
Pinasulat ko na po sa kanya to mga ano, sabi ko, ano, balik natin dati nakasulat, dati tinitingnan mo, tapos during the session, di mo palang kinukompose, pangit, sabi ko, no? Ano mo kung, ano, at least meron kang guide na pagka during the session.
May writing this. Ano na po pala na yun. Ano daw? What's the magnitude of the block acceleration? Okay, that's it.
Magnitude of block acceleration. Okay. So for letter B,
Letter B. What is the force magnitude slowly increase? Okay, what is the value just before the block is left? Okay, so then at that moment na nawala po siya, wala na po normal force. Saka AY is still 0. Therefore, mutant U. MG. Blah, blah, blah.
teka, pwede patingin ng equation sa taas. So MAY is M times theta plus FN minus MG. Okay. So for B, so 116.
Sabi ko yung, pinapal ko yung last session niyo po, ano eh. Sabi ko, ano ba yan, Joshua? Pati yung simple algebra, ano ba yan? Pagka, pakigawa nga, sabi ko, baka hindi ka nag-aaral, sabi ko, ano. So, we devoted more time. Kasi gagawin po namin yung sinabi niya pagkatapos, ano po, no? Susulat doon sa method na pagkakasulat na solution na inaan niyo po, no? Para maging habit.
Teka, yung A na yan, that's
Anong aiming?
That is the acceleration na ano at this moment po.
what acceleration?
Mm-hmm.
Saan galing yan?
2 point ano?
Hindi. Paki-label yung point na numbers. So, lahat ng equations may number. Tapos, 5. Okay, to get 8. Saan ko ba yan?
Okay.
Anong equation?
Oh no. Ano? Ayun. 4 and something. Ano ba? 4 and 7.
Dahil mo, sino pa?
Ayun.
From.
Teka,
Tapos ano yan? 2.1 ba yan?
ikaw, equation 7 ha? So, yung FN, force, diba?
Ano?
Okay. So, A sub N is 210 meters per second squared. I should block acceleration for the bit. Okay. Tapos, ano yung acceleration along Y?
Josh, ano yung acceleration along my...
EY paano ba si 0?
Lagay mo.
Okay, so Y is equal to 0.
Lagay mo every ano kasi ilang tanong yun.
Okay, A sub X is that. AY is equal to 0. Twice mo that.
Tamo.
Move mo ba pababa ito ano? Okay.
After that.
After that. Okay, after that.
Equation. So a sub y is equal to. So that's equation 9. So from the 2, find the magnitude. It's just a sub x.
What's the issue?
Okay. So, yun na yun. Ngayon, i-state mo lang yung words. I think that.
Yeah. The axle.
So, tingnan natin. For letter A, what's the magnitude of the blocks per region? Okay, so, from, iulang mo yung equations after 4, pababa, para may space ka to write your conclusion as a sentence. And then, zoom out. Para makita mo yung buo. So everything after equation 4, move downwards. Okay, and then write your answer to part B as a sentence.
That is the first one. I think so hard takes time.
Kailangan mo ba ng mouse?
Okay, and then yung part B,
Move down mo.
Oh no.
Sulit mo na lang ulit.
Ay, let's spin hijack.
or move mo sa
The what? The force magnitude. What? The value.
or the minimum value of the force needed for the block to just
Is. Oh. Hindi na yung pasok.
Sunod lang.
for the acceleration magnitude or the acceleration, the magnitude of the acceleration when the block is just lifted or just before it's lifted. Kasi wala nang medium yan. focus with force. Slip it. Kaya, pa-check nung calculation mo dyan. Check ko lang. This is number 49, no? Paki-check yung value ng piece of it.
Correct.
So, recalculate. So, 116 times
21.02 po.
divided by 5. Check ko lang yan. Like,
Baka naka-radiance mode po.
Naka-radiance mode ako eh. Problem statement ulit. Force supporting dapat. Side problem statement.
Nang sunod na.
So, pinabasa ko yun. Solution. 2.18. Tapos, sa part sense naman, no? Pag hinihilan natin, mas mataas. So, 160 newtons, therefore, yung acceleration lalaki. Okay, so 21. Okay, sige, okay lang.
Nice. Okay.
Tapos, zoom, pwede pa zoom out. Kung na makita lang yung phone. Okay. Yung last, ginawa ba ng equation number?
Oh. Okay.
10.
Okay.
Yeah,
Mas, no? Mas simple na lang.
oh, sir, ganda.
The least readable, least readable.
Finally, Josh. Dapat ganun
Ano
lagi.
yan? Yung rule, each equation deserves a single. Huwag kang mag-multiple equations in one line. Huwag kang alam mo yung mga something equals something equals something equals something. Nasa isang line.
Opo. Opo.
Mag-line ka.
Para madaling mag-refer kung saan galing na po.
Mas readable yun.
Ganda kagad.
Tapos, gumunta yung gamit ko. Every equation, dapat may space between each equation. Para yung crack. Tapos, kung gusto mo actually kung graph na yung ginagawa ko, 2 spaces between every equation. Kasi, pag gusto kong lagyan ng event annotation, may space. Pero kung ano, ganyan, one equation, space for every equation. Kasi kaya natin i-move naman yung text eh.
Yes, sir.
Pero on paper, ginagawa ko yan. Two spaces.
May ano na, may allowance na po.
Oo. Okay, so let's go to yung for the last 30 minutes. Tignan natin yung problem number 51. Yung Atlas machine.
Atmos machine. What's so special po about Atmos machine?
Ang alam kong nag-use ay measuring the acceleration unit left.
So that's it mo. That's it.
Stop.
Parang that's literally the only use of Atmos.
Tumudikit. Baba mo pa ng konti. Tumudikit.
I will add the figure.
Mag-explain siya lang.
Space pa.
No, wait, there must be a way po to make it smaller. Oh, yeah.
Click mo yung edge. Tapos lang yan.
Ito kasi parang ayaw, sinascroll na po ako pag,
Space.
oh no, how do I get?
Okay. Ngayon, select mo yung dalawang yan. Tapos, i-move mo to the next page.
Yun. Okay, so that's how to get it smaller. Like, select to, and then,
Okay. So,
okay.
pag may force problem, the first thing to always do is set up a free body diagram for the system.
Are there diagrams po that are not free body? Kumbaga, they are not free. Parang meron po silang mga ano, more complex diagram.
Ang main para sa diagram na nakalagay lahat ng forces ay free body diagram. Okay. Ngayon, are the accelerations the same?
I think so po dapat. I think yes. It should be.
So the same accelerations except
Pay attention din po. Ano ba? Basta naman difference. Meron po.
pero paano mo kung the same yung acceleration?
Because same po yung force. So dapat on both of them. Wait. Same acceleration. Newton's third law? Dapat po.
No.
Oh no. Mhm.
And what is it that's making them move at the same speed?
Move on the same.
Kasi ito, yung talent, existence mo yan.
Okay. So it's not stretchy nor is it doesn't have mass.
So massless or non-stretching. Kaya siya constrained na same speeds, opposite velocities, same magnitude of acceleration, pero opposite directions.
So kung stretchy po, siguro medyo nag-stretch at the pulley. So mas mabagal po yun sa mabigat.
So may mangyayari pa. May yung 14 tensions yung kapareho.
So kung let's say po kumbaga super problem po lahat, everything accounted for, mga air resistance, tapos yung may friction with the pulley, tapos yung pulley may efficiency, tapos yung may ganun po lahat, may stretchiness pa ng cord. Gano'ng kahirap kaya po parang dati.
Hindi, usually iwasan natin yung mga ganun. Kasi may mga situations na it's better to perform an experiment than to do a really detailed analysis. Okay, so what does Newton's second law say for each block? So for block 1, so M1 times A. Ngayon, ano yung direction of acceleration?
Upwards po. So
Okay.
positive lang.
Tapos F net 2.
In the other direction.
Ano yung direction of acceleration?
Tanggal po naman, going downwards.
Teka, so bakit? Ano yung direction ng coordinate system mo for block 2? Which direction is positive? Kasi di ba, implicitly gumagamit ka ng y-axis. Ano orientation ng y-axis mo?
Downwards po.
So, for block 2, yung y-axis is downward. For block 1,
It's upward po.
okay. Kailangan mo i-note yun. Gumagamit ka ng mag-ibang coordinate.
Wait naman.
So actually pwede siya. Pero kailangan mo sabihin yun.
Actually, I was thinking po parang yung clockwise direction po is positive. So parang ito nasa side po na to, yung sa left side. Tapos if there's anything in between, yung right direction. Kumbaga parang ito pong direction is positive.
Hindi, wala tayo yung di ba? Walang convention na ganun. Kasi ang ginagamit natin for position ay straight line. Kasi pakita ko yung paano susulat yan. Na consist na pareho sa So, share yung screen ko. Okay. So, yung coordinate system is going to be like this. up is positive. So block 1 muna. Ito yung tension. Ito yung M1G. Ito yung tension. Ito yung M2G. So, mass times, ngayon, isang ina-assume natin na yung acceleration is upward, MA J hat is equal to tension minus M1 G hat. Yung block 2, sinassume natin na acceleration ay going downwards. So M2A, and then there should be a negative sign. Tapos tension is still pointing up. And then MG is pointing down. So declare lang ng J hat para alam natin kung ano yung unit directions. Alternatively, instead of writing that, it's equivalent to writing tapos same convention. Up is positive, down is negative.
So pareho pa rin po siya. Exactly the same. It's just that yung A is negative sa isa.
Okay, so yung sa last minute natin, pakituloy.
Bang, bang, bang.
So, pa-share ang screen ulit.
Bakit? Kailangan mo wala. Yung
Hindi siya ma-justify yung function. Okay. Kaya tingnan natin. If M2 is greater than M1, do we get the expected result?
No.
Does it accelerate upward?
It accelerates downward po.
Then M2 is greater than M1.
Edi yes. Positive po.
Positive. Ngayon, ano kasi explain ng algorithm? Yung P sa M2 is less than M1.
Negative. Dapat po. It should be kasi pag ano naman po yung acceleration.
So, yun yung acceleration. Okay, so that's for part A. Ngayon, balik tayo sa system of equations. yung M1A equals T minus mg at M2A is equal to M2 times T. Pwede lagyan mo ng equation mo first. Okay. Para masulat yung equations 3 and 4, anong law of physics yung ginamit mo?
Second law po.
So, maglagay ka ng space. Tapos, sabihin mo. So, aside from Newton's second law, what else do you use?
Aside from Newton's second law. What else?
Ito lumabas yung T minus 1. Yung kailangan mo din.
Yung free body diagram.
Okay, tingnan mo yung free body diagram. Figure 1. Yeah.
Figure 1.
Baba pa, kasi hindi mo problem na yan eh.
Ay, bakit to? Ayun.
So, figure 1. Okay, so from figure 1, so yung text na in between,
Figure 1 and by
using the figure 1, or using the free body diagram, figure 1, and Newton's second law. Ayun. Okay, ngayon, tingnan natin equation 3 and 4. Muna. So, bago tayo mag-solve, tingnan natin. Paki-highlight yung mga node at yung mga unknown. Yung mga node na. Highlight. Okay, now, before we compute, what do you notice about equations 3 and 4? What kind of system is this?
System of two equation.
With two unknowns, diba? So, kahit na hindi pa tinatanong, alam natin na with the information given, we can actually find both acceleration and tension.
Tension yata pinahanap. Yes.
Okay, so yan yung part 3. Okay, so pakituloy na lang nung the rest of the solution. Tapos patingin next Sunday.
Sige po.
Okay, so we'll stop here for now. See you on Thursday for math.
Okay,
Okay,
sir,
bye-bye.
pasend po ng link, sir.
Send po ng recording.
Thank you po.
Thank you po. Bye-bye po.
May recording ka rin yan?
Recording.
Ah. Yung kilogram po siya, parang one, okay, it doesn't look like a K, Josh. Ang dami sulat.